Morning, mate. Good to see you. Hey, Calcant. Oh, it's a good start to the day. I wouldn't say it's a good day just yet. I'd say it's a good start to the day, Joel. Get green, stay green, get to goal and get out. That's what I normally say, isn't it? Side spark, over goal. Good stuff. There's a couple of other things that I'm interested in watching today as well. Tupperware just popped up. What's Tupperware doing? Let's have a quick look. What's the news on Tupperware brands? Aside from the fact that you shouldn't put spaghetti bolognese or curry in them because it stains them. Okay, Tupperware brands. Earnings in 2 weeks. Okay, so new CEO and board of directors. So that's why Tupperware's moving up. It's got a new board of directors. Tempest, he's trying to hold the VWAP here. Let's look at this on a 5 because it looks like there's a potential trend line. Is. Now look at that on the 1. And all the way back. Go. That's what we'll look for on Tempest, 7:30. ASMB, Agri needs more volume, but Agri Force is heavily shorted, There's over 100% short on that one, so which should be illegal. In fact, technically it is, but there you go. 2 trades there, no, two entries. So size spark, 2 entries. So we got in here on the move up, and then we got in here on this move up. So it's 2 entries. ASMB popped up, been just slowly selling off since. So a decent volume though. Assembly Bioscience. Currently 116% up on the day. This is a low price stock. I'm not trading this. If it gets back above $2, I looked at it when it got over $2. It pulled back and it's been below the VWAP since. But if it does get back over $2, it could be of interest. Morning, Neil. I actually expect that we'll finish green today. So just to put the few Jackson there, we're looking at the Qs here, which is an ETF from Invesco that tracks the NASDAQ 100. So you're looking at the NASDAQ 100, and if you look at where we are on the 60-minute, so the hourly chart, I'm just doing this so we can see what happened yesterday and the day before. We had the last week we had the CPI numbers came out on Thursday. Market didn't like them, so it sold off. we had a continuation on Friday. We had a nice little rally yesterday. Bit of a retracement in the out-of-hour session. I think we'll get a continuation. Personally, my own personal opinion, not financial advice. I just think we'll get a bit of a continuation, a bit of bullish action after the bell, which will take us green, and we'll probably finish higher than we did. We'll probably get higher than yesterday's high of day, which yesterday's high of day was 370 and 48 cents on the spot on the Qs, and I think we'll probably get over that, maybe 371 on the Qs. S&P 500, very similar situation. The market's selling off after CPI, the continuation on Friday, the bounce yesterday, retracement overnight, and then a continuation after the bell. That's my opinion. That's what I think is going to happen. Not financial advice. If that doesn't happen, don't sue me. What do you think, Jackson? More importantly, what do you think the NASDAQ or the markets are going to do? The SPY, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial, whatever market you're into, what do you think it's going to do? And this is the SPY. If you look at this on the daily, we had a nice little rally off the bottoms here, and then we had the CPI numbers came out. Don't forget, Tesla has a big effect on the NASDAQ earnings tomorrow. So, and I'm expecting a bullish outlook from Tesla as well. So, we'll probably see a bit of a run after hours tomorrow on Tesla, and I might actually stream. I might get up early in the morning and stream the Tesla earnings. Netflix as well tomorrow. So, we've got some big names on tomorrow's earnings. Price spark moving again. Watching that line. Converging at 665. That's a key level on the daily. Look at this on the. Oh, here we go. Double topping. Don't mind. Spin it a little bit. Breathing room. Morning, Tom. How you doing, buddy? See you back. Yeah, don't be afraid to share the live on TikTok with anyone else that's interested in trading. Don't be shy with the thumbs up on. Don't be shy hitting the thumbs up on YouTube, guys. Come on, sort your life out. Hit that thumbs up button. I'm thinking this might be a cup and handle if we can get the breakout at 675. 675, hit 7, new high of day. Potential cup and handle here. Hey, Nate, good to see you back. It will be if I can keep hold of it there, Paul. I do say get green, stay green, get to goal and get out. I'm actually at goal, 150 bucks over goal. So I don't really want to be giving that back. I want to stay over goal now. $0.23, well, 22 and change on the range. Spreads are 2 cents, so it's like a 10x, which is really good. I threw a wick up there. Price didn't go up there, but the wick did. So someone bought above the price action there. There we go. We're getting the breakout now. 77 on this wick. 680 on the previous one. There we go. Like that to test $7. Looking for this cup and handle breakout, retest the whole dollar, and then maybe even the high of day. Oh, we can pull back. $670 again on the ask. Broke the $0.50. I'll get back in when it starts to move back up again. Hey Dennis, how you doing, buddy? It has been fairly tracking that 20 EMA though. Got high on this candle of 658. Right. 44 is the low on it. So breaking lows. Let's see, did it pull all the way back to the VWAP? There's a bit of an M pattern there forming. If it pulls back to kind of 625, I could see it pulling back a bit further, breaking through the VWAP, maybe testing $6 here. Upper way, up at 229, 28. We've got an hour before the market opens, so we can take our time. Hey Radko, how you doing, buddy? Come on, everybody, get that, smash that thumbs up button. You know you wanna. You know. Let's see if we can get back over 670 this time. No view on TTO right now. I know it's down on the day. don't think there's much volume on it. Just having a quick look at it on the other screen. It's under $7, so it's down on the day. It closed yesterday $7.25, so it's down slightly on the day, but there's no volume on it. So there's no opportunity, no trade there for me at this moment in time. It needs more volume there, Steve. Ideally, it wants to be above $7 as well. Hey Alberto, Lisa, good to see you back. $6.45 over this candle. Volume dried up a little bit. Have I tried using TradeZilla? LitTrades? No, I don't use TradeZilla. I use TraderView. I track all my trades in TraderView. And I get the unique insights from TraderView. So TradeZilla, TradeAnvil, there's loads of them, but have they not sorted that out yet, Alistair? That's a bit crap. Sorry to hear that, buddy. I hope you get it sorted soon. But LitTrades, yeah, I've looked at TradeZilla. I prefer TraderView personally. I've looked at TradeAnvil, TradeZilla. I've looked at a few different ones, but TraderView's the one that I enjoy. But I think it probably gives more insights actually, more statistics, more a better view of the trading activity from a journal perspective. Cheers, Steve. Come on, let's get let's test that high. 680 would be nice. $675 on the bid would be nice. Oof. Going the wrong way, my dear. Reds. There was an M pattern there, there's a W pattern, so I'm having two minds here. Whether this is going to go my way or not. I think it probably will. Go on, side spark, up you go. No, that's the wrong way. Don't like holding through consolidation. I've made a habit of that. I might just hand this right now whilst, but I do like that downward. Caught between two minds. Not a good idea when you're trading. Well, I don't know about a wedge, but certainly it was a narrowing triangle. A wedge has a horizontal bottom or a horizontal top. A flat top wedge is a horizontal top, and a flat top bottom, a flat bottom wedge is a horizontal bottom. Whereas triangle is it's got an incline on both sides. Hey Cal, good to see you back, buddy. Well, no worries, buddy. We don't, whilst we might miss you, we don't, you know, you've got a life to lead. Life to lead. Nice. Now the ask is under the $0.50, so I probably will. Oh, we're back above the $0.50. I was just about to cut it then. If the ask breaks the $0.50 again, I'll cut it. Yeah, Tupperware's having a good day. Put Tupperware on there for you so you can see it. And I'm not about pulling back. It just broke the $0.50. It's up at 242. It went up to 255. So it's having a little bit of a pullback. So it might be a good time to look for an entry if it moves back up towards 250. The volume's just gone on this. Spot. I think I'm just going to get out of this if the bid breaks below the $0.50 now. I'm getting a bit bored with it. And I've got a long way to go to the open. I've already done a couple of triangles on this one already. But it did a similar move earlier where it consolidated and then it broke out. So it might break down, but let's see if it breaks out. 65, and now we're into the greens. If we get over 660 on the bid, we'll be in a good position. It's over 670 on the bid. That'll give me 500, and that'll pretty much take me back to goal-ish. 572 will take me to goal on the bid. And I've got they're coming out automatically there, Ian. That's YouTube that's doing that. I'm busy trading. I don't want to be having to put the adverts in as well. I can assure you I will not be placing adverts whilst I'm in a trade. There's more things on my mind. Well, let's break 670. 675. 678. What's 670 on the bid? That's 670. It's 67 on the ass. We had 68 on this candle. We're looking for 72 on the bid, ideally. Another 10 cents on the bid. Come on. Let's will it on. I know what it is. I know what it is. You guys have not hit the thumbs up button. The thumb points upwards, and that pushes the price action upwards. If you hit that thumbs up button, the price action will go upwards. There we go. Now I can hold this. I'll get out if it. We're back over goal. Nice little move. Get back in if it breaks 7. Oh, that was nice. I like that. 80-cent pot off that after breaking 7. So I bought and I got an 80-cent pot. Nice. In a really good position here. And way over gold. We like this. Nice one, Spark. Thank you very much indeed. Locking a little bit more profit while I'm up there. And scaling in at the same time. Break even. First candle breaks a low or break even, whichever comes first. Yeah, I don't recommend holding through consolidation, but that worked out well. You know what? I'm just going to lock in another 600 bucks or so. Why not? Want some over gold? I may as well play it cautiously. Nice. I like it. You love to see it when that happens. It's a key level like a whole dollar you add for the break and it pops up almost a whole dollar. Lovely when that happens. Locking a bit more money, rising up my average cost, my average price, whilst it's consolidating there for potential retry at the highs. High of day coming at 7. There you go, new high of day. Take half off, over 10k on the day. You gotta love it. You love to see it. Sorry, Alistair. Send me your account balance. I'll trade it for you. Sorry, buddy. I shouldn't be messing because it's no laughing matter, is it really? I'm waiting for the pullback so can I scale back in. Going to buy that there. Over 8. Good job. So I'm just scaling in. Goes red. I'll exit. $7.80 is my cutoff. Basically, next candle makes a new low, I'll get out. Love it. Love it. I'll keep the 10k. Ring the register and call it a day. I'll stick a fork in me and turn me over because I think I'm done. Yeah, before the market opens as well. Well done, Alberto. That's what you want. Just a couple of hours trading and you go. I like these days too, Cast. It's 13k in the end yesterday. Oh, do you know what? That takes us to seven figures net. Oh, that will, yeah, that's a 7 figure. So I was just over 6k shy of that 7-figure net number, which is the pro rata for October, the gold pro rata for October. 100k a month net, 120k a month gross. So I need 29k before the end of the month gross, but I only needed just over 6k net. So I've done it. Oh, we're back over the 7 figures. Back over the 7 figures. But the last time I did that, I went and made 3 big red days, so it's important that we don't do that. So yeah, no, monumentous occasion. 7-figure net number, just blown away. Happy days, Tony. Well done, that deserved a glass of water. Agri Force. I'll come back to that for if it back over $8. I might be interested. Let's have another look at Agri Force. So Agri Force up there at 330, below the VWAP. I want to see it above the VWAP. It popped up nicely earlier on, about 7:30ish. But then I want to see this. I want to see this above the VWAP if I'm thinking about trading it. Tupperware. Tupperware, nice little 5-minute flag formation here. So at the moment, high of that kind of 250, back over 250, this might break out. Nice flag formation there. Look at it on the 5-minute for you TikTok viewers. Lovely little flag pole. There's your flag. So over 250, which is the high of this candle, and this could go. You might get a nice little move. Do we get the breakout, or is it going to be a fake out? Bull flags tend to be fairly reliable. About 70% of the time they will break in the right way, they break upwards. And there you go. There you go, there's a nice little pop. 250, there's a good 10 cents in there. You should be able to get a bit more out of that. Oh, I think she's cooking. I can smell good food. So that was a 5-minute bull flag. You got the breakout and a nice little pop, which it's not done yet. You got a good 10. You got 10 cents on. Oh well, 9 cents on that. So keep watching for that to move up. There's your 10 cents. Okay. If you can take 10 cents out of the market every day, over the course of it, slowly scaling up over the course of a year, you could actually earn a very handsome amount of money just from 10 cents a day. Slowly scaling up each day, right, each week even. I'd like to get another 1,200 to make it a 2x gold day, but we'll see. What's my drawdown? I think the drawdown was 29k. I think that's what it was. No, that's not it. The drawdown was not 29k. Let's have a look at what my drawdown is. Reports. Drawdown. Current drawdown 9k, 9.2k. So yeah, I'm out of drawdown. So that covers the drawdown. After yesterday's 13 and today's 10, that covers the drawdown. Happy days. So we're back in profitability for October, I think. Yeah, we were drawdown. We had 9k drawdown, but we were negative, just negative 6,800 on October. So that takes us into the green for the month. So and SciSpark doesn't look like it's done. I'll watch the 5 minute now. So we're looking at 8:16. Morning, Robin. You're a bit late to the party today. Hey, by the dip. Good morning to you, buddy. I hope you managed to catch the move from SciSpark. This was, I mean, this has moved up from under $3 to over $8. So it closed out at 281 yesterday. I've been trading it since kind of mid fives, 5 something. Let me have a quick look. What was my first entry on this? 5 something. That's 640. And all the way up to my last exit, was my highest exit was 811. No, 818. What have they said the problem is, Alistair? Is it just a pre-market thing, or is it in the regular session as well? Okay, so that's pulling back. I'll let that pull back. We'll come back to that again later. It could be a gap and go. We'll find out in half an hour. Tupperware, another one, possible gap and go. We'll find out in half an hour. Big mover yesterday for us. Well, Tempest and Momentous were the big movers for us yesterday. We made some really nice okay, that's a bit of a problem. Did you manage to speak to somebody? Actually, legitimately speak to somebody, or were you on the chat, back and forwards on the chat? Speak to your account manager. Have you got an account manager there, Alistair? Get him on the case. What's he earning his money for? That's great, that by the dip. That's great consistency. That's fantastic consistency. Yeah, okay, well, get him to sort it out. That's what they earn the money for. Hopefully it will be, oh, Agri Force breaking out, over 350 now. So Agri Force up above the VWAP, tested 370, went up to 369 on that last little spurt. I think I've just been bitten by a mosquito or something. Mosquitoes, little bastards. Yeah, well, look, I think you saw me catch that one as well, Robin. Tempest and Momentous both did well for us yesterday. Market's down today. It's actually pulling back a little bit. Still, I still think we'll get a move around. Could be completely wrong, but I think we could still get a bit more bullish action on the markets yet. So despite let's see, pulling back, breaking low. did this yesterday. It opened up. No, it actually opened up higher yesterday. We'll see. Agri Force. Got momentum stock right now, Agri Force. Currently up 32%. 500,000 shares traded. It normally does about 250,000, so it's a 2x relative volume, which is not a bad sign. It's a bullish. That's a bullish sign. Just be careful with those powers that you've got there, Alistair. Just because you've got the power of God in my stream doesn't mean you need to use it willy-nilly, buddy. Cheers, Skylar. Go and start the stream from the beginning, and you'll be able to watch it happening, Skylar. So traded that this morning. Side spark. So this is what we've traded so far this morning. We traded it first here, and then we traded it on this move up here. The consolidation gave a little bit back here. Then we got in here and we rode it all the way up from kind of 650 all the way up to over $8. So that was nice going. So that's Side Spark, SPRC. Agri pulling all the way back to the VWAP. Glue. Let's have a look at glue. Monte Rosa. Called this out. I'm pretty sure this was called. I didn't call it out. This was called out. Who was it? The Divinator called this one out in the Discord this morning before 8 o'clock. Didn't have the volume, still doesn't have the volume. So if the volume comes in, yeah, could be interesting. But right now, very low volume. Let's say very low volume. It's relatively low volume. You get so many of these blanks, not enough people trading it. So Monte Rosa, whilst it is moving up on the day, it's probably not something that you should be looking to trade unless we get a bit more volume. Now we're going to get a bit more volume naturally in about 20 minutes when the market opens. So keep an eye out. Oh, hang on a minute. We're missing the breakout from Side Spark. Over $8. Let's get rid of all these lines now. And the percentage move, 180% up now is Side Spark. It was a little bit higher, nearly 200% up on the day. Closed out yesterday at $2.81. So you work that out. The current high of days is 844, which is pretty much just over 200% gain. I've never had that problem. Not once. Oh no, tell a lie. No, yeah, I've not had that problem. I think it's more of a CMEG UK thing. Yeah, you need to get some kind of recompense for it, Alistair. $8.50. And we get $9. That'd be a good question to ask. "20 minutes before the bell." I'll take the bid with you. All right, let's see. Can we get a new high of day? Current high of day, 867. 875 next milestone. $8.25. There we go. I'll get out there. Breaking new lows. Gotta be careful, gotta be disciplined. I don't think they'll give you the 10k that you didn't earn, because obviously, but like I say, asking for free commissions on the next for the month, or waive commissions, or waive your platform fees or something. I'd say whatever costs more, your commissions, waive your commissions for the month. Yeah, absolutely. Skylar could finish the day already over gold, so gotta be disciplined about it. Yeah, it's a bit of a bummer, is that. Good job you got a couple of other income streams. That could be a bit of a pain. I have 33. I got it there at 20, 26.5. I actually got in there with the increased volume as well. I thought we were going to get a breakout and a test of $9. I was wrong. Something you've got to get used to being when you're a trader. Wrong. Well, they won't waive off your fees, but they can waive commissions. On up you go. All the way. 860. Stop messing me. Let's get that double top sorted. 867. I want to try it out. And quit with the wide spreads. 20-cent spread at one stage then. Find the life out of him. Thought it had flushed. This is another consolidation period I'm not too keen on. $0.06 off the ask. Oh, 10 cents off the ask. Okay. Yeah, it's the compliance. We're getting compliance with NASDAQ. From almost twice gold to half gold, but green, so we stay green. I don't know. Catalytic compliance can be a big issue. Now I'm back under that 7 figures, so let's see what happens. We've got 12 minutes, just under 12 minutes before the bell. I don't know why I went in so heavy, I didn't need to. Yeah, well, if you don't remain compliant, you can get delisted and end up on the OTC markets, pink sheets, and you don't want that. Oh, what's going on with my network?